Easy 2 points. Jersey number 12, pass to 0. Jersey number 6, inangat. No good. Rebound, jersey number 6. Saroble, pass to Saroble. Traveling violation. Vargas, jersey number 12. 15 seconds, shot clock.
Oh, foul.
May nakuha foul. Who's foul referee? Foul jersey number 26. Substitution rep. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Sino yun ang pinasok? 23. Bilis yan. Oh!
Atin na.
Yun! Ay!
Pomelo Ballers ball. Jersey number 6, 10 seconds shot clock. 5. Air ball.
Balitan mo ng ring.
Talikod.
Ready for stop. Saroble breaks. Pass to jersey number 8. 15 seconds shot clock. Ready for stop. Jersey number 23. May nakuha foul. Who's foul referee? Foul jersey number 8. Substitution rep. Penalty.
Penalty na. Yun na.
Yor!
Lagi na.
Luhin mo, kailangan.
First attempt.
Yan.
Basket.
Nice.
Second attempt. No good. Rebound jersey number 26. Saroble. 22. Pass to Saroble. Saroble fires. No good.
Wala.
Wala. Jersey number 13. Behind the back. Pass to 23. Tumuhat. Easy 2 points. Saroble. Remaining time 2 minutes exactly. 26. Back to Saroble. Fires. No good. Ready for stop. No good. Rebound jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 30. Naagawan. Saroble. Traveling violation. Substitution rep.
Ano yan pa ba? Ang dami na pumapasok sa kabila. Nagsidatingan.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 5. Saroble pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Roba fires. No good. Rebound jersey number 13. 13. Pass to 24. Block. Ropa. Ropa nagmamadali. Pass to jersey number 3. Easy 2 points. 55 seconds. 23.
Tingnan mo yung score ha.
No good. Sa Roble. Pass to jersey number 3. Easy to boys. Back to 30 seconds. 23. Same ball. Pomelo Ballers ball. 12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. 24 seconds. 24. Rams ball.
Ay, nako.
Diretso mo na tira.
20 seconds.
Tira, foul pa.
15 seconds. Sa Roble. Spin. Pace. Wow. 5 seconds.